What is the scientific study of human populations, including their size, growth, and distribution? Demography studies populations. What common nutrient is essential for building and repairing tissues in the human body? Protein repairs tissues. What is the primary grain used to make traditional Italian pasta? Pasta is primarily made from wheat. What was the name of the first artificial satellite launched into Earth's orbit? Sputnik 1 was the first satellite. Which large desert covers a vast area of North Africa? The Sahara Desert is in North Africa. In ancient times, where did the Olympic Games originate? The ancient Olympic Games began in Olympia, Greece.